800, 18 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18 left, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
Tower, Southwest 708, we're short of 18 left, we're ready.
Southwest 708 Austin Tower, runway 18 left, RVR 1200, midpoint 600, roll out 1600. Flight heading 170, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, traffic 3 mile, final is a heavy 767.
Okay, 170, cleared for takeoff, 18 left, copy the traffic, Southwest 708.
Tower, confirm FedEx 1432 Heavy, clear to land on 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, that is affirmative, sir. 18 left, you are clear to land, traffic departure, route 737.
Roger.
Southwest 708, confirm on the road.
Rolling now.
Southwest aboard. FedEx is on the go.
Southwest 708, roger, you turn right when able. Negative. Climb maintain 3000, and if you could turn left heading 080.
Wind turn to 080 3000, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
This 1432 Heavy, roger, sir. You have our apologies. We appreciate your professionalism.
Thank you.